Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. So guys, it's been a long time since my last upload in this channel, and yeah, almost a year guys, because it's almost March again, and my last video I uploaded in March. It was the weekend getaway. If you didn't watch that video, go watch it because it was like a good and epic getaway. To like do this video to update y'all with what has been going on ever since, because a lot has happened, and yeah. And I've received a lot of like questions from friends that why aren't you like vlogging, why aren't you like posting recipes, we missed that, we missed this, we missed that. And some of the friends were just like, nah, you have to like even send it to us like on our private, some videos of your daily basis, what you're doing, some recipes and stuff. And if you follow me on my Instagram, my personal Instagram, you can see that I've posted like a lot of things there ever since, like during this period that I wasn't posting on YouTube or even on the IGs, like YouTube IGs. After my last video that I uploaded in this channel, I had like some of the videos that I was editing, and I did record 2 content videos, like they were about study tips, I do remember, and I recorded like 2 more recipes to upload in the channel. But in the process of editing, I was just like, nah, the videos weren't like giving me the vibes, so I decided to delete them for the recipes too. And I was also pressured guys, because I was just like, nah, I need to just get settled with myself, with what was happening, because a lot was happening in the same time. And the process of editing and shooting videos and everything, it was like something that would like get me out of my routine, but it will be like something extra that I'll be doing, you know. I don't know if you get me in that part, but it was too much for me in that specific moment. So I decided to stop with the recording, with the editing, with everything. I deleted the videos that I had, and I was just like not into like uploading anything in the channel or in the YouTube's like Instagram, that I upload like the previews of all the videos I have. I do the polls and everything on this Instagram. So yeah, it was a lot guys, it was a lot that was happening. Trying to find myself, like get to know like what exactly I wanted, what were my goals, you know, that stuff, those stuff. And after quarantine, it was like, yeah, I had to like find myself. I had to, because it was the beginning of 2021, and I had to like make a lot of decisions. So I was just like super pressured, yeah, I had to do a lot of things at the same time. So I stopped all the recording, all the editing process, and I started working on myself, on what I wanted to do, what were my goals, like remembering myself, like what exactly and where exactly I want to go, and what are the steps that I need to take to achieve whatever I want to achieve in life. So it was kind of a process guys. I was pressured, yeah, especially with school. I was doing a lot of research about unis, about what I wanted to follow as a career, and it was a lot guys, it was a lot. So I couldn't like be recording and just, yeah, trying to do recipes for you guys or trying to vlog, because a lot of you guys like the vlogs that I do, and you wanted me to do more vlogs, but I couldn't like vlog while I was like pressured, because you wouldn't like get the good vibes from me, and yeah, it would be like a whole lot of mess. Guys, just, you know, just be here, stay tuned for everything that is coming, because new content is coming. And yeah, I just hope that you guys yeah, just get back on track and turn that post notifications on, because your girl here will be doing her best to post for you guys. I'm open for suggestions for everything that you want to see. You can DM me on my personal or my YouTube's Instagram for any suggestions, ideas, or anything you want to see from me, you have both Instagram here and my TikTok account too. You can just like go follow me there because you're going to see like a lot of mini vlogs and some life experiences, fun videos, dances. I'll try to get back on that, you know. That's all for today, guys. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned, turn that post notifications on, and see you guys then. Bye.